Hey guys, so here is a very short, quick hair client tutorial transformation tutorial for my licensed cosmetologist, obviously, and just a fun video for those who aren't. Do not follow this if you are not a professional. So this is just showing how I get my blondes super icy. I know that is a huge request among a lot of blonde clients for that platinum blonde. So here was the before. She wasn't bad, but then the after, of course, is super icy and platinum. So since this is a short video, I'm not going to show me actually painting her roots. We're just doing a bleach retouch. This is right after I rinse the bleach out. A lot of stylists just rinse and go, and you've got to take more time. So what I like to do with my blondes to get them super ashy and icy, I love to pre-tone. So I'm going to pre-tone with my Fanola Vegan No Yellow shampoo. This stuff is amazing. As you can see in just a second, it takes out all the brass, all the yellow tones, and then it allows a smooth, even canvas, I don't know why I said smooth, for my actual toners that I'm about to put on. So I work that into the hair, I leave it in for a couple of minutes depending on how they lifted, and then I rinse it out. So here is the after of using that purple shampoo. It is obviously a lot more cooler and not as, she's not really brassy, but she's not as yellow as you can see right there. So after we rinse that, I'm not going to shampoo. I'm going to go in with my favorite toners from Redken Shades EQ and just let that set on there a couple of minutes, really watch the hair, then just rinse and shampoo. And here's the after effects. As you can see, super icy, platinum, way better than me just rinsing out the bleach and then drying her. She would have been way yellow. You would have not gotten this platinum icy color. So I give huge props to the Fanola Vegan because it is the best purple shampoo by far I've ever used. And then of course to my favorite toners. Now even though the coloring process of this is more for professionals, clients at home who are blonde who want that icy color need to get this Fanola Vegan No Yellow shampoo. They also have a mask that is very good. I love using the mask, especially after the shampoo, just to comb through the hair to allow me to put on my toners evenly. It's great to use at home. I will say the shampoo is a little bit more intense than the mask, so if you're not looking for a very strong wash of color when you go to use it, I would just stick with the mask. It's very conditioning as well, but both paired together, you get amazing results, you guys. If you want to save a little change, you can use my code HeatherStyles for 10% off your order on salonguys.com. Let me know if you like these little hair videos. I can do more. Of course, I'm going to do more makeup as well. I hope you guys have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next one.